You have to discuss about the rate of GST. The rate of GST varies from 0 to 28%. 0 to 28%, the rate of GST is varying. So for that, that one is divided into 5 categories. First category is zero rated. Means for the goods and the services, we don't have to pay the GST. Which are the goods and services are there, for that you don't have to pay the GST, that you have to see. For zero rated, rate of GST is 0. Goods are essential commodities. Essential commodities like the food grains, fruits, vegetable, milk, salt, earthen pots, etc. For that the rate of GST is 0. Then services. Which are the services? For that the rate of GST is 0, that you have to see. Charitable trust activity. If any charitable trust is there, for that the rate of GST is 0. Transport of the water. If you have the water transport system or water transport, then that time the rate of GST is 0. Use of the roads and the bridges. Public library. Roads and the bridges. Public library. Then agricultural related services. Whatever be the agricultural related services, the rate of GST is 0. Education and the health care services. Whatever be the education and the health care services, the rate of GST is 0. Everybody understand which are the services and the goods which have the GST 0%, that you have to, I wrote in the first column. In second low rated means 5% GST. The goods which have the 5% GST and the services which have the 5% GST, that you have to see. The goods are the commonly used items like the LPG cylinder, tea, coffee, oil, honey, frozen vegetable, spices, sweets. These are the goods which charge the 5% GST. Then which are the services which charge 5% GST, that you have to see. Railway transport services, bus transport services, taxi services, air transport, hotel providing food and the beverages, etc. Means these are the services which charge the 5% GST. Railway transport services, bus transport services, taxi services, air transport and the hotel providing foods and the beverages, that charge 5% GST. Everybody understand which charge means rate of GST for the goods and the services which charge 5% GST. Then third type is standard rated slab first. Standard rated slab first 12% GST. The goods are in which the government charge the 12% GST are consumers goods. Consumers goods, butter, ghee, dry fruits, jam, jelly, sauces, pickles, mobile phones, etc. These goods are there, that government will charge 12% GST. And services are printing job works. All the printing job work, they will charge the 12% GST. Guest house services related to the construction and the business. Guest house and the services related to the construction and the business, that charge the 12% GST. Means 12% means standard rated but slab first. Standard rated slab second, that charge 18% GST. And most of the goods and the services are included in this. Most of the goods and services will come under this standard rated slab second. The goods are marbles, granites, perfumes, metal atoms, computer, printer, monitor, CCTV. These are the goods which government will charge 18% GST. And which are the services? Courier services, then outdoor catering services, then circus, drama, cinema, exhibition, currency exchange. If you want to exchange the currency, that time you have to, they will charge 18% GST. Then broker services in shares trading, etc. For purchasing the shares, if you will take the help of the broker. From the broker, if you will purchase the share, at that time you have to pay the 18% GST. These are the goods and the services which government will charge 18% GST. Then highly rated, which the highly rated means 28%. Which are the goods? The luxury items, most motorcycles, then spare motorcycle and spare part, luxury cars, pan masala, vacuum cleaner, dishwasher, AC, washing machine, fridge, tobacco products, and the aerated water. This will charge 28% GST. Which are the services? The 5-star hotels, 5-star hotel accommodation, amusement park, water park, theme park, then race course, IPL games, air transport, business class. This government will charge for these services the 28% GST. Means the rate of GST is varying. Once again I will repeat, rate of GST is varying from the 0% to 28%. So that one is categorized like this: 0 rated, then low rated 5%, standard rated slab first 12%, standard rated slab second 18%, and the highly rated 28%. And these are the goods and the services that are included in this. So you have to study this all the goods and the services and how much GST government will charge, that you have to study properly, and you have to write all these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.